Sudden Bay streets where the shadows get lost. Rubber burns, no turn, straight line to the edge. Throttle wide open like we made a pact or a pledge. Last ride before the cold comes creeping. Engines growling, ain't no time for sleeping. Metal beats on asphalt, howling through the night. Tires kiss the road, sparks dance in the moonlight.
Before the frost bites, we ride, we fly, chasing the wind under that frozen sky. One last good ride before the seasons collide. We live, we burn on this two-wheel tie.
Leather jackets crackle, the wind sharp slap. Ghost riders in the mist, no map, just a trap. Sudden Bay shoreline, reflections in the lake. The cold ain't here yet, but we feel the hate. Knuckles freezing, but the fire's in the heart. Tearing through the streets like a work of art. North mini bikes, we the kings of this place. Wind is on our heels, but it won't set the pace.
Before the frost bites, we ride, we fly, chasing the wind under that frozen sky. One last good ride before the seasons collide. We live, we burn on this two-wheel tie. Breaking every single rule. System tried to chain me, but I broke every link. Now I'm sitting in the sun, just pouring my drink.
Feds at the door, not no more. Pain in my chest, I settle that skull.
We done with the bullshit, finally free. Living like the way it's supposed to be. No chains, no pain, just let it flow. Now we do what we want and we let it show.
Gold on my wrist, but it ain't from the flash. Earned every dime, ain't no counterfeit cash. Used to ride dirty, now I'm clean as the whip. Laughed at my losses, now I'm stacking these chips.
Dreams once buried under gravel and grime. Now they bloom like roses in the summertime. Every step forward they prayed I'd trip, but I'm moonwalking on them, got that MJ grip, baby.
Tree chop. Concrete jungle, crack dreams in the gutter. Hustle on the block, man, bread and butter. Smoke clouds rise where the young ones stutter. Voices lost in the grind, life's a mutter. Gunshots sang lullabies in the night. Cops flash red and blue, no wrong, no right. Used to think woke talk was the light. Now I see troops in the fight take flight.
All the rough roads to go, through the storm, through the cold. At the end of the rainbow, truth unfolds. Time to grow up, let the real world hold. Let the real world hold. Time to grow up, let the real world hold.
Dodging shadows where the villain stay scheming. Used to chase dreams but forgot the meaning. Woke fog thick, had my mind daydreaming. Now I'm wide awake, life got me leaning. Reality slaps, harder than the crack whip. Got scars on my soul from the tight grip. No time for the chatter, let the BS skip. Life's a one shot, better not trip.
All the